So right now we're walking through the bridge, Hanoi Bridge. It's a really nice walk. As you can see, Mama Africa. Nice walk, and it's a nice view, you know, of the town. It's an amazing one. See, they're having a walking tour. It's a must do sightseeing, you know. What? Bikes everywhere. Africa, Sir Allah. Kalik. If you love bikes, this is where you should come. Ashley's just scared.
It's so scary. You can see the bottom, and there's hardly anything to hold you up, and it's shaking.
Yeah.
It's falling apart.
This is what it looks like. Really cool. It's a long bridge. Beautiful view from here. Oh wow, look at that. The city view. It's definitely recommended to walk through the bridge. If you don't scare from the height, it's not really high, but it's a little bit weird. You can look at the moves. There's water down there. There's some banana farm right here. You okay? Don't look down, just keep walking, you know. You don't have to pay attention to where you're fitting. Just keep walking and you're good. You'll be good, girl. You'll be good. We gotta walk back, right? Oh shit. Woo. Hey, what do you think of us crossing?
And the kids can play while the parents are
Oh, nice.
and that lady's the one singing.
Right. What do you think of us crossing the bridge by foot?
I feel like I was about to pass out the entire time, so if you have a fear of heights, you'll feel blacked out the whole time. But it's worth it, it's cool. Yeah, I don't know. If you're not afraid of heights, it's fine. But if you are, it doesn't feel good.
But you can still do it.
It's extremely long.
But it's a nice walk. Alright, we're going down to that music thing. This area looks a little bit like fancy area, where you come and have a meal right next to the river, and it's a kind of like out of the tourist attraction, so it's very local, which is nice, you know, if you want to experience very local stuff. definitely walk out from the Hanoi downtown area so you can explore a bit more stuff. They said there are about 40 million bucks in Vietnam. 40 million. It's crazy. Hey, my friend. It's crazy. 40 million. I think it's almost the same of, or maybe more, the population of Vietnam. Woo! Wow. Look at